Where's Mia?
Here I am. Hi everybody, so we're making slime. We are making this. I made this with my dad. So we have glue, paint, baking soda, my bowl, shaving cream, lotion, contact solution, and my painters. Make some slime! First we start with the glue. This is Now we add some colors. I think that's enough. Daddy. Now closer. Now use logo. I think that's enough. Now we do pink. Now that's enough. Now the green. That's enough. Now we mix it. Oh no, it turned out red. Now we add the baking soda. Now we add the shaving cream. Now let's mix it up. Now we add lotion. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now we mix it all up. Now we do the activator and its contact solution. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Now we mix it. I think we need a little bit more shaving cream. I think I added a little more contact solution. It's getting harder now. My daddy helped me because I'm going to show you at the end. Here it's done. Now I show you with my hands. This is how you make slime. See?